and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video. So you do not want to miss that bonus video. So make sure you click on that notification bell so the next time that I upload a new video, you will be automatically notified. Make sure you hit allow notifications. Without further ado, we're gonna get into this quick, small luxury haul. Yes, we're gonna do a quick, small luxury haul once again. Yes, we are. I'm thirsty, it's hot. I don't know if it's 105 right now. Let me know in the comments what temperature is it in your area today? What's the temp? What's the highest temp in your area today? Comment below, let me know down below, because it is hot as I don't know what. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be an unboxing. It is gonna be, oh Lord, girl, hold on, wait. Okay, Lord, it keeps sliding back. This is not gonna be an unboxing. It is gonna be unbagging. Yes, so we're unbagging this. This is the bag that I had for my September 2021 purchase of the first Fendi, where I bought the medium size black first Fendi. And I purchased it in September. I didn't unbox it until like October or November, maybe closer to November. And then when I unboxed it, I saw that it had a flaw on it, and that just like killed my vibe for the first Fendi. The strap did not work, and every time you put the strap on it, because that was the inappropriate strap for that bag that I had purchased, it would fall off of the strap. It's just a bad purchase all around. But I decided that I am gonna go in, because I had previously texted my SA who I purchased it from, and I decided, let me go in and speak with the manager, because you know, I'm talking to this SA. Yes, this was in September. I was talking to her, but I'm talking to her. I'm letting her know how I feel about this bag. I'm not happy. I'm not pleased. This is what's going on. She was like, there's nothing that we can do about it. I was like, oh, okay. So I just let it sit in the chair. I let it have its own little seat in the chair for, I don't know, until throughout Christmas. Then I moved her to the Chase Lounge, and she just had her own little seat on the Chase Lounge. Well, recently I decided to go on Amazon and purchase a dupe of the first Fendi. And I was like, Carmen, really? Why are you purchasing a dupe of the first Fendi, and you have a first Fendi? Use your first Fendi. No, I don't want to. It has some kind of mark on the metal portion. Here it is. Hopefully you can see it. There it is. This is the dust bag. It has a leather drawstring. It is hot. Comes like that because it was brand new. And here is my small first Fendi. I can't with myself. First Fendi, I unboxed its mother in October, November, and now here is the baby. And yeah, I love it. The leather is smooth, very soft and supple. It comes with a slender strap. It is adjustable. Let's see if I can open it. It opened really quick and easy. And that is how it looks on the inside. This is the bottom, the side. I think I like it. I think I like it. You know, with me, I don't know. Okay, how do I get the strap on? I don't know how to get the strap on. Where is, okay, I must be tripping. It must be inside. I think it's inside. Okay. Ah, it is. Okay. So this is the little attachment that this goes to, and it's inside. Still has the plastic sticker on it, and you just pull it up and then move it out, and it snaps right in just like that. Now, then you need to put this to this, and I'm scared because I really wasn't paying attention to how this opens. Oh, it's hot. Okay, I don't know how it opens. I don't know how it opens. I don't want to break my nail, but that is how it, well, how am I going to show you? So that is my first Fendi in the caramel color. I am sweating. Oh my gosh. Really quick. For the extra amount that I had left over, I did pick up this little box. Inside this little box is very nice. Oh, shoot. This is not tissue paper. This is, it's like a soft cloth, like kind of spongy. And then here is, oh my goodness. Here is the earrings. Yes, that I had the excess amount from the medium bag that I put toward these Fendi earrings. I said it was quick, small, and luxury haul. The damage. Okay, so when I purchased my medium first Fendi, it was $3,490, and then I returned that, oh my goodness, almost what was it, 7 months later? September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. 9 months later, I returned it, and the first Fendi, of course, has went up, even in, you know, both the small and the medium. So the price of it was $3,100. And then for the earrings that are metal zirconian Fendi earrings are $340. And I still have like a little credit of $53.88. And that is it for my unbagging, because he would not give me, or he did not give me, a new box. He just gave it to me in the bag. So it's an unbagging. So now I'm left. He would not return this. This is the belt that I bought with the black one. And, you know, tag still on. So I'm going to take it to Fashion File and see if they will give me some money for it. Yeah. That is all for my unbagging. Comment below if you like my first Fendi in the small size. Make sure you go back and watch my video of the first Fendi in the medium when it was really trending. I don't know if the first Fendi is still trending, but I kind of like it. I kind of like it enough to have bought the dupe. Next week, I think what I'll do is I'll do a comparison between the authentic first Fendi and the dupe first Fendi that I purchased on Amazon. So let me know if you want to see that in the comments below, okay? Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I am just sweating, sweating, sweating. Make sure you comment, like, and share this video. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I want to see you, yes you, in my next video. Bye-bye. Arrivederci. Arrivederci.